Yeah, you know, say, Jeff the Master, 2011, representing. Right now we're down in Nitro Studio. Big up NCF Productions, you know, say. The Mad Studio yard right now. Me I say Patchy DJ Fashion, my brother for life, right? Mad Production, Esco Levi, you would call him Argonine. Me I say big up Turbulence. And the youth name Kananga in Europe right now. NCF Production all the way. And Camp Gaza, you know, say, this year a mad year. It's a whole heap of work and a whole heap of collabo and mad thing going on. You understand? Right now, you know, so this is the black and white and this is Nitro. First event for the year, as you do know. Nitro only do 2 events for the year. Black and white, the official one for Canada. And the anniversary. We don't do no more party, we just play a party and party. Right? We don't need to check out our production though, because right now the thing that we are use right now, internet world, and I shot some music and promotion and put Canada up on the map officially. So you need to log on to narproduction.com, click on Studio Cam and you don't know to see the show them live. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? Look out for the Friday show so far. So right now, we just stay and relax. Autopsy show soon start. I also pick up Esco Levi right now, write some mad song, everything good. And then later on, you can just check me out on the show for about 10 minutes, because them say me and the old boy now, the new face them round there, you see? But the old name Kamal Fire. Add him to the crew and we see a real talent, you know, we don't hide real talent, you know. And we say use to the world, you know, them are the future for tomorrow. So right now, Cam Gaza, I'm out, and me say, Master! That's me.
Gaza, you know the thing going there, right? Kamal Fire, the new face to the thing, and the normal thing, alright? Big up Cam Gaza, that's the thing there.
Yo, Cam Gaza, make them know, you know, and I try the world first CD song, and hold it, a ringing this, you know, and remember, all about the autopsy, make sure every Thursday on narproduction.com from 8 to 11. Log on. Remember me tell you now.
Ladies and gentlemen, you also can go YouTube and just type in Camp Gaza. I will say Camp Gaza, I don't want to know where we are talking about. Just type in Camp Gaza and so on. You know, so right now is a fresh cup now. You know, say natural juice, spill your vibes, you know.
No, we connect, keep it in check.
See the doctor, yes.
Yeah.
Fresh cut through
so keep this thoughts in your mind. Shonda Paula, give you a good man in the life. A real man in the life.
Like see money,
I'm gonna love you.
girls and honey.
To girl each and every night. You know what
you see April 23rd artist the other day. I'm a lot Jamaica right now, I'm a beat them bad, that's song ya.
Baby, wanna see your face, wanna feel your touch, wanna hold you in my arms because I will see you sound.
Mama cause me there, they say your time with it that waist. She need behind my back, she need in front of me. You see I'm not hungry, you're messing with my heart. You're messing with my heart, girl.
Hey, you're messing with my heart.
You're messing with my heart,
yeah. Watch. Just listen to the music and just tell yourself that it's edited. You understand? It's not wrong. Go not here and that's what I hear. You understand? I autopsy show so. And the world I watch. So we have to turn it up. You see? Cartel again. Back up. Young Gaza said. Fresh cut a 6. This week in the North Side is a smash cut city. Turn it up and get you. Turn it up and get you. Dr. Rini, you as a doctor of music, explain. Cartel say the music cakes up and it's very brown. And this man I say you can't get brown. Yeah man, I'll thief that. Where man I really say? What do you mean you can't get brown?
Boy, I don't know, you know. You must say, boy, the cake see my grandmother use it for a long time.
Oh.
Bait me up.
I know why I'm not here.
Maybe our skin does hard. See, the cake soap work if it's a person when you be to use lotion all the time. Not work for Simon. You understand? Some people we really assist it. I don't know.
And how you doing so much, Kate?
I'm also big up Megan at the house now. Jingle. Hey, it's another Thursday night. I have something to say now.
Friends always there.
Yeah.
I'm always scared.
Yeah.
When I know them, I'm always scared.
The call for Black and White March 19th, you know, since a retro party. 70s, 80s, and 90s music piano party, they own later. Turn it up!
We still hot on a tour, with the Japan on a tour.
Yeah.
Look in the yard.
Big up everybody went forward to Jamaica and reach back and Canada safe for us.
What you and me?
Make sure you get the SWAT dance.
You left them up.
Hey, come to the SWAT bridge. I'm a winner. So last year, we go through some hills and some valleys. Only for people right off all the sound and say, I hit that for night, we're done with them. Promoter, Farm Alliance, stop book all the sound and all these things. Now what are they gonna say? We're just in the first month and look at all these flyers. And the one I said to me, let you see the answer that alone. So what I'm going to do now?
What are they going to do?
So what I was going to say is, you can go over that thing. If you
left, watch your right, watch your front, check the rear. Cause I see vampires coming from everywhere. And them want suck your blood, all your flesh, them want